Is this real?
Yeah, very good.
Amazing.
Strong, huh? Man.
Welcome back to JD's Expeditions. After an incredible time at Coral Island, it's time to head back to Pattaya. But the adventure isn't over yet. Today, I will take you through a street food experience, check out some amazing live music performance, and even stop by a local barbershop for a fresh new look. So let's go! Leaving Coral Island, we are taking the ferry back to Pattaya port. The ride is about 40 minutes and it's the perfect time to relax and take in the stunning ocean view while watching the sunset. Back on land, Pattaya's nightlife and street energy are already in full swing. As soon as you step out of the port, you are greeted with bright lights and passing streets and amazing food stores everywhere. Pattaya at night is a whole different experience. It's live, vibrant, and full of surprises. Whether you're looking for food, shopping, or entertainment, this city never sleeps. Coconut. Yeah?
One?
Yeah, just one. One coconut. And to cool down, a fresh coconut water, the perfect drink after a long day in the sun. Now, let's talk about one of the best things in Thailand. Street food. The aroma of grilled meat, sizzling seafood, and fresh Thai spices fills the air. And trust me, the food tastes just as good as it smells.
It's low cholesterol.
Try before you die. Damn. What the hell? Is this real?
Yeah, very good.
Amazing.
Strong, huh? Man.
I want to try this thing.
What size you want?
I want to try.
I have a small, medium, large.
Let me get a small one. Yeah.
You like spicy?
No, not spicy, yeah.
Medium, small one, not spicy. 10.
After collecting my crocodile meat, I went to sit down in this local food market. It is very beautiful, bright colors, and they have all kind of food. This was actually my first time to try crocodile meat, and I was excited to see how it feels like and tastes like. Hey, if this kind of really travel experience is something you love, let's explore more together. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next adventure. There is a lot more coming. Crocodile meat. Tastes good. Very good actually.
nothing like this.
After all that walking and eating, I decided it was time for a fresh haircut. Walking into this Arab barber shop, I wasn't sure what to expect. However, the barber seems to know what he was doing. It's always fun getting a haircut in a new country. You never know how it turns out. And here is the final result, feeling fresh and ready for more adventures. On the price side though, he initially said 100 Thai baht. But when I removed the 1000 Thai baht note, he changed his mind and saying that it is 500 Thai baht. I felt like this was on the higher side for Thailand. But it is partly my fault I didn't agree with him on the price before starting. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this price and is it reasonable. As I was walking through the street, I came across something unexpected. Live music performance right on the street. This is one of the things I love about traveling. Random beautiful moments like these, whether it is beautiful performers or just talented locals, street music really brings the city to life. You can see people stopping, enjoying, and even dancing along. This is what makes Pattaya so special. What a great way to end the day. Amazing food, great music, and a fresh haircut. Pattaya never disappoints. Whether you are here for the beaches or just a unique local experience, there is always something new to discover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel vlog. What's your favorite things about Pattaya? Food, music, or street energy? Let me know in the comment section. See you in the next adventure.